2025, book cover designs have completely changed. So if you're still planning to use stock images on your book cover, you need to update yourself. Let's look at the top cover design trends that have been all the rage this year. Hand-drawn characters and illustrations have completely taken over. This is because people are looking for charm and a hint of personality in book covers. If you're writing a romantic fiction novel or even a light-hearted non-fiction book, hand-drawn characters and doodles might work well for you. Bold colors and vintage typefaces are also gaining popularity because it works perfectly for both fiction and non-fiction books that are fun, light-hearted, and don't take themselves too seriously. These covers lean into nostalgia but with a modern twist. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!